By far, this is my most profitable strategy. It is the golden setup, and we're going to break this down in just a couple of minutes. This can be found on every chart, on every asset, every single hour. And it's only a couple of steps. Now make sure that you smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and hey, join the Telegram group. This is exactly where you're going to learn how to do this yourself for free. Now let's check this out. There's only a couple of things. We want to be below the SMA, this is the 55, and it needs to be headed down. We want to have a cross of our moving averages, and this is the CCI, and below that is the Williams. Now, we also have in these two moving averages a couple of things that we're looking for. We want our faster moving average to be pointing down, and we also want the slower moving average to have a kink in it. If you don't know what a kink is, go check out my most recent breakdown video. This is where we have a moving average that increases or decreases at an angle rapidly. It happens right here. You could have actually taken trades on all three of these boxed candles and won. But we're specifically looking at this third one that has this major pull down. Next, look down at the CCI, and you're going to notice that when the CCI is pointed down, as you can see in my arrow, and the Williams is pointed up, and it's going to happen simultaneously, going to go down and up at the same time, this is when this candle pulls down. Now, this long green arrow right here is significant because this is our trend line. You can actually see that drawing from here all the way down, connecting these candles, that our rejection is actually going to happen, meaning our candle is going to stop right here. So if you had entered right up here, it would have pulled down all the way. You always want to make sure you're marking up your charts with support and resistance as well as trend lines so that you're not taking trades at invisible stop signs. This is really, really simple. When you're below the SMA, when you have your cross of your moving averages, when you have the pull down of the CCI and the increase of the angle of the Williams, meaning CCI down, Williams up, you're going to hit this trade at 5 or 15 seconds, 9 out of 10 times. This is the golden setup, and it is so simple. Like I said, you'll see it every chart, every asset, every hour. If you want to see this in action, you want to learn how to do this, you want to learn how to do some of these other strategies and setups, or you just want to learn how to trade, head over to the link that you see at the top of the screen or down in the description after you smash that like, and subscribe if you haven't done so that you can go and start increasing your balance on Pocket Option or whatever other platform that you use today. And I'll see you in the next breakdown video.